Hi, hello everybody, and hopefully you can see me. Uh, uh, my name is Natalie, and we just had a class about removing money blocks. This was a workshop that was included with the membership, and you can also purchase it separately. What we did in this workshop, we worked with our past traumatic events about money that we had witnessed or that happened to us, maybe happened to our family. Everybody has some of those, and maybe not one, but many, usually through our lives. Even if you hadn't had it in your happen to you or with your family, you may watch the movie or read it in a book, and there are many examples with traumatic installments, beliefs that are affecting what we think about money, and those beliefs also affect how we receive money. How are we allowing ourselves for money to flow toward us, and how easy it is for us to receive money? Because some people that you know are working hard and not receiving a lot of money, and some people are not working hard, working very little or not at all, but always have a lot of money. So you know that how much you work or how much you know, how much credentials you have, how many diplomas you have, do not affect the amount of money you receive. And there is other things that are influencing this. So Neurographica will help you remove those blocks and allow you to have the money flow in your life effortlessly. So I'm finishing the drawing that we started, and everybody who participated has increased their financial flow, their perception of financial flow, how much money do they allow themselves to receive, has increased. Their emotional state has shifted, and they have had other interesting insights and realizations. What is important when you are able to draw it on a paper and see it possible, then it's already, your mind is healed, and it will allow it to happen in your real life. The first step is to do it with Neurographica and to work it out. Neurographica allows you to work out traumatic events by drawing them and releasing the energy stuck around them. So you don't need to go to a therapist or work with a coach. You can do it by yourself, just by drawing. And when you join us in a workshop or a class, in a group, it will be better for you, more beneficial, because the group energy will be supportive for your transformation. So this class is going to be available for purchase in recording, and it is a first class of series of several that we are going to be doing on releasing the money blocks. If you want to join the membership or get the classes separately, whatever you want to do, I welcome you because it's very healing and results are already being reported from our students. It was a great class. I hope to see you again in our next class or in our membership. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.